MUA makeup show. Hella late. Couldn't wake up. But yeah, I'm on my way now. And I hope to catch a good amount of the show. Hopefully it don't be done too early. But yeah. So follow me. I'll see some of you guys there. I'm getting my face done. Yeah, this means come here for get my face done. For the first.
MUA makeup show. They have won the award for the best new online store. As I said, you know, my store and online store has its own door. Right?
And I believe they have a very good support team. What has been put in making a business successful? And if you can find a niche and stick to that niche to make it a business grow.
Oh, we're vlogging! Yes, we're vlogging! Hi! We're from our last for dry.
We're finally going to meet her in person. How are you?
Hi,
No, it's Moya.
what did
Morning, guys. So, on another makeup adventure, I'm on my way to go to work. I'm working in Mandeville this time, Fontana, Mandeville, and yeah. So you know the routine. I'll be taking you along. Hopefully, I take out the phone a little bit more and vlog. But yeah, come with me on my journey. Come and watch me do what I do. Yeah, check out Milani, Jordana at Fontana Pharmacy. We're not nationwide. Y'all know what I'm saying. But anyways, check out Fontana Pharmacy and check out Milani brand. Moya. Hi guys, so I'm here, table set up. I'm just waiting for persons to come in. It's a bit early. I reached earlier than I thought, so I'm just here waiting and trying out some of the products. This is the new matte cream and I think you guys should really check it out because it's a bomb. What do you guys think? I'll show you a little bit more later. Alright, so this is Daisy and she is here at the Fontana Mandeville branch and you can find her here at the cosmetic section. And yeah, say hi to her.
Hi guys. Alright, so just a little bit about this Milani lip cream. Awesome. One word. Pure awesomeness. I have been trying this out for a few months. Let me tell you, it's the absolute best. I'll have it on for the entire day. I'll eat, because I don't like reapplying stuff throughout the day. And I really don't like glossy stuff so much. So I always opt for a matte look. But this goes on liquid and it dries absolutely matte. It doesn't get clammy after I eat. Nothing. It just stays put.
Yes.
And it's just, I love it.
It's a bomb.
So yeah. Get yourself one.
Come to Fontana.
Definitely.
I'm finally back home. Had a long day. First time traveling alone, solo dolo, by myself, like to another parish. It was quite adventurous, so couldn't have vlogged me on the journey, because you know, taking out my phone and vlogging would kind of bring attention to myself more than me being all dolled up with one bag of luggage. So I guess you will see just a little snippet of what I was doing, but you get to see a little more and stuff. So yeah, I'm just here about to touch up this little makeup. As you can see, I'm a little bit oily in my area here, but for a makeup that has been on from what time did I get ready? You'll see it in the beginning of the video when I started getting ready, or when I got ready, from about 5. Yeah, from 5, and it's now after 10. 12-hour wear with just this little bit of oil. Yes. But yeah, yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm going to record a haul of some stuff that I got from family members that I'm so grateful for. They don't even know how much it means to me. So yeah, little things that count, people. So yeah, I'm going to do that and then get myself in bed, because I'm aching. My back hurts. My tummy has been aching for the last 3 days. Yeah, I'm tired. I need to rest. So yeah, I'm gonna record that video real quick and then go sleep. So see you when I see you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlog. I don't talk much because I don't really get the hang of taking out my phone in public and be like, unless it's people that is used to a little bit used to the YouTube world. So yeah, my bed's a mess. My damn puss has been in my bed. I know she gone on the floor. I don't know, I'm cat obsessed. I'm a cat lady. If you follow me on Snapchat, you would know. Moya Lovely. You can go follow me. You're not going to see much makeup stuff because it's just my personal Snapchat. It's not really my makeup Snapchat, so you don't really see makeup that much on it. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to record this video and go to bed. And I must say, I'm loving this Milani liquid lip cream. It's a liquid lipstick, but it's called the lip cream. It's the Amore cream. Yeah, love it. I need to get me some, but I've just been trying this one from the kit, but I'm gonna get me some. It's that color. It might look like a dark because it's nighttime, but y'all saw it earlier. And you see it's still popping. Talk up. Anyways, later guys.